Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making the Mumbai special pav bhaji. Let's start with the ingredients quickly. Chopped tomatoes, those are 3 medium-sized tomatoes, 4 medium-sized onion chopped finely, boiled vegetables, and that's some butter, salt, jeera or cumin seeds, kasturi methi or dried fenugreek, chopped green chilies, powdered spices, red chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala powder, chopped coriander and 1 lemon. This is the pav bhaji masala I'm using, that's the Everest one. Here are the ingredients we need. Let's get started. Let's start by heating up a kadai or a pan. Once heated, we can add our butter to it. Let the butter melt. I'm also using half a tablespoon of oil. Now once the butter is melted completely, we can go ahead and add our cumin seeds or jeera to it. Roast it well until golden brown. Now we can go ahead and add our onions to it. Saute the onions well. Let it cook good until golden brown. Just keep stirring continuously, we don't have to let it burn. Once the onions are golden brown, we can go ahead and add our green chilies. Those are finely chopped green chilies, 4 of them. Now we can add our powdered spices, red chili powder, garam masala powder and turmeric powder. That's our pav bhaji masala. For the measurements, I will put it down in the description box. Just mix it well and cook. At this point, you can just add some water to it. We don't have to let the ingredients burn. So add some of the water and mix it well. Let it cook for like a minute or 2. Once you see that the oil is on the top, that means your ingredients are cooked well. Now we can add our chopped tomatoes to it. Cook the tomatoes for 2 minutes until it dissolves. Once you see that the tomatoes are dissolved, that means they are cooked. Now you can add the kasturi methi or dried fenugreek. Just take some on your hand and rub gently. Mix it well. Just squeeze some of the lemon juice. It gives a beautiful texture. Now at this point, we'll go ahead and add our boiled vegetables. I've used capsicum, cauliflower, green peas and potato. I've boiled them with some salt and turmeric powder. Mix all the things well. Let it cook for like a minute or 2. Now you can go ahead and take your masher and mash all the vegetables. You have to mash the vegetables thoroughly as you want to convert it into a smooth paste. Mash it well until you see that all the vegetables are mashed and turned into a paste. Now cook this and add some salt to it. I'm adding very little salt, you can add as per taste. Mix everything well and let it cook for 5 minutes. Just cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. Once done, you can add some freshly chopped coriander or dhania and mix it well. Now your bhaji is done. You can just garnish it with some coriander or dhania and add some butter to it. Isn't it delicious? Your bhaji is ready to be served. We can now go ahead and prepare our pav to serve with it. Take a pan, some butter and some fresh pav. Apply the butter on the pav. I'm also adding some red chili powder. It's optional. Now cook the pav thoroughly. Apply butter on the other side as well. Cook it until golden brown. It gives a good crisp to the pav and it really tastes good. Once you see that the pav has turned golden brown, you can take it off the pan. For serving, I'm using this dish. Add some beautiful bhaji to it, the pav that we prepared, finely chopped onions, and a piece of lemon. Your dish is ready to be served. You can add some butter while serving. This is a beautiful recipe, guys. You can try it at home. I hope you guys like this recipe. Do let me know in the comment section below. And do check out my channel for such beautiful recipes and some artwork. I hope you guys like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much for watching.